What's going on, y'all? It's your boy, Stock Holiday, right back at you again with the latest and the greatest in these cryptocurrency markets. And then do your boy a quick favor and hit that like button. And then do me one more favor and hit that subscribe button. What's going on, good people out there? Your boy, Stock Holiday, is out of town, a little bit of a vacation. You know, sometimes you just have to get away and take advantage of life, enjoy your family and friends and all that good stuff. So that's what your boy is doing right now out here in the South in Georgia, doing my thing, traveling, visiting, sightseeing, all that good stuff. So let's go ahead and talk about some of the things that's going on in the doggone world of cryptocurrency, Bitcoin, and all that good stuff. Currently, right now, Bitcoin is about $63,200. Bitcoin is looking explosive right now. The entire cryptocurrency market is looking explosive right now. We did have a little bit of a correction a few days ago. Bitcoin dipped down to $59,000. A lot of folks started to panic. I'm looking at the Fear and Greed Index today. It is at 43, so the Fear and Greed Index is still mid-level. Not a lot of excitement there. There's still folks on the sideline that is not quite sure what's going on, what to expect, what direction this doggone market is going there. Nevertheless, us over there in the Patreon, we've been talking about the 4-year cycles. We've been talking about Q4, talking about the charts that have been revealing themselves year after year after year. So we are going to continue to stick to the fundamentals, trust the process, and all that good stuff. We understand October. We're about a week and a half into October. Folks are still wondering what's going on with Pumptober. But you got to understand, Bitcoin is already in a advanced mode. It's already a little bit ahead of where it should be. Typically, all-time highs are not broken from the previous cycle until about election time, which is November 4th, so forth and so on. So we are about 3 weeks away from that. So we are still at a great pace that we're running right now. We're probably about 12-13% from all-time highs. So Bitcoin is in great positions right now. We're in great positions to start seeing the altcoin season. We're seeing so many altcoins on the side that's starting to explode. 10% in one day, 20% in one day. I even had an altcoin that ran up 220% in one day. There was a person over there in the Patreon showed me that they had a altcoin that went up a massive amount, 9x in a matter of 2 or 3 days. So there's so many coins out there that you could take advantage of. But the most important thing is being diverse. Next, the most important thing is to continue to make sure your portfolio is filled out. Make sure that you got the right plays positioned in your portfolio, because when this bullish spike really start to pump, when this bull market really start to get ignited, altcoin season really start to roar, you're going to want to make sure that you have your position set. We've been looking at Turbo. Turbo has been performing well as of lately. That doggone thing is exploding today as we speak. Our portfolios is packed in that particular play. So we're just going to continue to make money in these various plays, continue to trust the process. Plays like Solana, Ethereum, the large cap plays, you want to make sure that your portfolio is in position. Get you some small cap plays. Make sure you got some exposure in Bitcoin. We're getting ready to do great things heading into Q4, heading on to 2025, the bull market. Financial freedom, you know that we are coming for you. So come on over there, join us in the Patreon. We would love to see you over there. And like I say, I just come to you guys every day just to continue to give you that good encouragement, coming to you every day to give you that good motivation. And that's all I got for you on this one. It's your boy Stock Holiday, and I'm out.